On Saturday, November 3, the JAHJAH Foundation will once again host our annual Black Tie Dinner and Dance under the theme Jamaica Forever. Indeed, we are committed to Jamaica Forever, as the work to install electricity at the Mango Hall Basic School is 75% complete. We also continue to support the Kingston Public Hospital. JAHJAH Foundation is consistently doing great things throughout the island. We will be honoring Mr. Nigel Teddy Moore, who has been our local champion in Ulster Spring and Upper Trelawney. Please come out and support us on Saturday, November 3 from 7 p.m. to 12 midnight at the Royal Manor in Garfield, New Jersey, 15 minutes outside of New York City. Donations $150, which includes cocktails, dinner, and an open bar all night. Music by DJ Oxdale of Road International. Proceeds to benefit various projects across Kingston, Trelawney, and Westmoreland. Tickets are available on Eventbrite at JAHJAH Foundation or email us at info@jahjahfoundation.org or call us at 917-531-3699. Tickets are also available at Sunsplash Restaurant and Juice Bar in Orange, New Jersey, and Island Spice Restaurant in Teaneck, New Jersey. We need your support. The JAHJAH Foundation. Jamaicans abroad, helping Jamaicans at home.